Beyond the rolling hills of Everbright lay a hidden land known as the Crystal Vale, a place shrouded in mystery. Stories spoke of towering crystal spires that hummed with an ancient song, and a powerful artifact hidden deep within its heart, the Aurora Shard, said to hold the key to infinite knowledge. For centuries, many had tried to find it, but none returned. The brave companions. Determined to solve the mystery, a group of unlikely heroes set out. Lyra, a fearless adventurer with a golden pendant that glowed faintly in the dark. Theo, a brilliant but scatterbrained scholar armed with ancient maps and a bag full of books. Ellie, a skilled tracker with a bond to nature, always accompanied by her loyal fox, Embark. Jace, a tinkerer whose gadgets often malfunctioned in the most spectacular ways. "This isn't just a treasure hunt," Lyra told her team as they packed. "It's a journey to uncover the truth of the Vale." The journey began at the Gateway of Echoes, a massive arch carved from shimmering stone. As they stepped through, a low hum filled the air, growing louder with each step. Theo's maps indicated they needed to follow the sound to find the Vale. "The crystals are singing," Theo said, scribbling furiously in his notebook. "It's eerie," Ellie muttered, glancing around. Ember's ears twitched nervously. Jace grinned. "I wonder if they'd harmonize with my whistle." Following the hum, they entered a dense forest where the trees sparkled as if dusted with stars. The sound led them to a clearing where a crystal obelisk stood. Inscribed on it were glowing symbols. To proceed, light must dance. Jace pulled out a gadget, a mirror contraption. "Let's redirect some sunlight," he said. With some effort, they aimed the light at the obelisk, causing it to glow and reveal a path deeper into the forest. The path led them to a maze of crystal walls that shimmered and changed as they moved. Each turn brought new challenges, walls shifting to block their way, illusions of endless corridors, and echoes of their own voices. "Stay close," Lyra warned. "This maze is alive." Using Ellie's tracking skills and Theo's map-reading expertise, they found patterns in the maze's changes. After hours of navigating, they reached its center, where a pedestal held a glowing fragment of crystal. Lyra picked it up, and the maze dissolved, leaving them in a wide valley filled with towering crystal spires. The Crystal Vale was breathtaking. The spires pulsed with light, their song filling the air. At the center stood the largest spire, glowing with a brilliance that made it hard to look directly at. As they approached, a shimmering figure appeared, a guardian made of light and crystal. "Why have you come?" it asked, its voice resonating like a chord struck on a harp. "We seek the Aurora Shard," Lyra said. "Not for power, but for understanding." The Guardian's light dimmed and then brightened. "To claim the shard, you must prove your unity. Complete the harmony trial." Four smaller spires rose around them, each glowing a different color: red, blue, green, and yellow. The Guardian explained, "Each spire represents a part of your journey. Solve its puzzle together to awaken the shard." Red Spire, strength. They faced a series of physical challenges.